Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki hybrid ki bidang Pule haka Little Scholar Preparatory School kabadan Krishnong Golf Links Shillong maupun kalayo alat ban Pyni ialah ki jong ki sap ki pong haka art and craft exhibition bala pelong dak school haka art pu atrik unai wiang arja pesan haka ni school kabala seng haka chpo trik ulber arja chpo ki don live sam ngot tam ki Khynnah ren ki ba Pule hadu benta bat ki noi kai ru ki dan prangot ki belaju aji kai ki Khynnah ren kumnu ban sang dori ka tho ka Pule hakarta ka badang lung kani ka school ka don ru ya ka Instagram page bat ka Facebook page ha ka ba ki pai ba ki la ban yo ki jingtip ki babanya shpang ki rukom aji kai ki Khynnah hakarta ka badang ret
nga comment sha nga comment ba like nga phai khon na jong ni school little scholar preschool and plus like nganong kum ba it's nearby our area only kade locality la jong hi and plus nadmin shwang aju yo sngo phang little scholar ba it's really a great play school so for little kids they learn fast over here tak daw nga chu phala ka phai khon te nalyang la jong ru nga pe I khon mentai la kham change min shwam da long socialize tan kata ban kran yinu ru not ra ban pe yinu da don bawan menu ila re tama menta da nga pe ila long totally different masnyo ila greet good morning la black him and stuff ila on good morning papa good morning mommy good like to everyone she wish so that is like the plus point that I am literally blessed to have this school in our locality for that reason. Apart of that, I have seen academically ilong come like different. Previously, hot to has hiyeng makna ru ni sipen hikai A B C D and all. Tampa I was like no, if we are teaching by ourselves, like it's totally different. So it's better for us bangin pa ye khon ha play school. So and plus kunum ru iong biang ban pa ani ha little scholar plus teachers and all they are like professional takdaw ngi phala pa so ngamon ban ong ye ki ba white to maybe kila ban sa jengai mo ki like different parents like they might have this thought ba oh ka jengai tengin that hadu banda pai tama once their kids will be coming over here in this school little scholar play school they will literally learn many things. Like even me myself, I've never thought that my daughter, she will literally change. I was thinking like, hopefully that she will literally change. Ma, tangba masan pe ye menta, rukom ikren, rukom I wish ya baro, shuaban tiaru ishi on good night papa, good night mommy, yung pilip light no papa, like all those things. Like I'm amazed to know ma, but ilong literally different. Like previously how she was at home and after joining play school, like totally different. So, tangkatahi.
Hello everyone. So, welcome to the art and craft of the Little Scholar school. So, this school, since I sent my son here, I find him improving so much. Like I love the school. How whatever they are organizing, we keep participating, and also like we like to cooperate. We like to every time the school organize anything, we cooperate. And yes, I find my son improving so much coming to the school.
Okay. Hi, welcome to Little Scholar School. We welcome you to our art and craft exhibition. Our school have started from 2010. It's our preschool. There's no other preschool around this area, so we have decided to start our preschool. And today we are presenting whatever our kids have learned throughout the academic session. They have learned about community helpers. They have learned all about myself. They have learned about a lot of other things. Whatever they have learned, it's all shown here in the art and craft exhibition, and we are very happy and thrilled that our parents have come today to see the exhibition and the hard work of what their children have done throughout the entire year. And please do come to our school, and admissions are open for this academic year.
My name is Dr. Marhun. I am a parent of Lamprang Benson. My child is studying in senior playgroup. Ever since my child, it's been a year since he's enrolled in the school, I've seen a lot of improvement in my child. Not only academically, of course, academically it's there because they learned how to read, to write, but most of all what really captures me about the school is they learned social skills, which is very imperative in today's world. Okay, and I applaud. It's highly commendable the patience, the kindness of the teachers and the school authority as a whole, but most importantly the teachers who guide these young minds. Okay, not only to read, to write, but also to develop as human beings. The small little things like being independent. Yes, that is one thing about the school that I really applaud, is teaching our kids to be independent, to face the realities of the world. So I applaud the school as a whole, and I wish the best endeavors for the school, and also that it will grow as a school and be at par with other schools in and outside the country as well. Thank you.
Okay. Mungkin akan berkasih English dan mix lah. Nak kemen, saya nak kemen nak pai ikut macam near school, little scholar preschool, and plus like it's nearby our area ni, kadai locality la jom ni, and plus nak mencuang ada juga small little scholar, it's really great preschool. So for little kids, they learn fast over here. Dalam supaya ikon, nalian orang jom ngapai ikon, kita akan change. Mencuam dalam socialize kan kita, bankeran ini menurut lah. Banpek ini dalam orang lagi. Tama mentah dengan apa ini lawan totally different. Maksudnya ini lagi. Good morning, like black him and stuff. Good morning, Papa. Good morning, Mommy. Good, like to everyone she wish. So that is like the plus point that I'm literally blessed to have the school in our locality for that reason. Apart of that, I have seen academically, ilong come like different. Previously, what hiyeng na unsipin hikay A, B, C, D, and all. I was like, no. If we are teaching by ourselves, like it's totally different. So it's better for us bangin pa ikon how play school. So plus kunum iyong biang pa ani little scholar, plus teachers and all, they are like professional. Tadang pa. So just those words only. Blish bon.
Cái bộ phim mình ông này gì vậy? Bật bật gì?
Namun benong yaki ba what to maybe kila bansa sejengay mo like different parents, like they might have this thought ba kajengay tani that hadu banda pai. But once their kids will be coming over here in this school, little scholar preschool, they will literally learn many things. Like even me myself, I've never thought that my daughter, she will literally change. I was thinking like hopefully that she will literally change mo. Tamba masuk PI menta rukum ikran rukum I wish ya bawa shoban tiaru isi good night Papa, good night Mommy, yung pelip light na Papa, like all those things, like I'm amazed to know but literally different, like previously how she was at home and after joining play school, like totally different. So takatahi.
Hello, I'm father of Zidaya. My son studies in junior preschool in Middle Scholars. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the staff and the teachers for the wonderful job that they have done with my son. At the beginning of the year when I enrolled him in this school, he was a very shy, timid, very uncomfortable talking to strangers or new people that he's met. We used to force him, not force him, we should tell him to talk, but he would never listen. Not listen, but he would never be able to talk to the people. So when after coming to the school within 6 months that he's been here, he's now very more confident of himself. When people talk to him, he replies back, he answers the questions, he questions them. So I like to thank all the teachers, staff that have created such a caring nurturing, developing environment out here, and I hope that he'll develop more and more from here. Thank you.
Gonda Primberio ibang magpaun long hakataka long student specific seminta andai lawan ni fat long kajing ya keren kajing khana kajing iru long lakam sai la nam punya dia khana nang sikmat long ni expect kan kanang tu sikmat la kajing la kata jui kun kajing ni ikiwi kunju tidak la betul he kamsan kajing penikai kajing ti kampan politi apa tengah kerana ba nang sikmat ukni kunjung ni ni kwa ba kan nang buat ni nang yuk kajing sai kajing berkat kemensian berkajing yam jong kisah inang yuk su kajing ba kalau jong iba ingat nak yang jong tangkatah ni kwa no ya shamsa ni jong aru dan ni kendian sok berkan makanya jong itu
ni bukan kita tanggung tahi ni su ni kermen mo kena ke sekolah kena mak mende kan bahaya ya kilo de nama kumbang i kunjungi baka communication skill kala nang increase kala nang humor ni nak jengerap kena hikai de tangkat tahi ni kusyukur.
Everyone, so we have come to the arts and craft exhibition of this Little Scholar School. So we have find it very cute. The little small kids have made very beautiful things. So we have my son especially have enjoyed exploring the things which I have made throughout the year. So yeah, we enjoyed this arts and craft. Everyone, so we have come to the arts and craft exhibition of this Little Scholar School. So we have find it very cute. The little small kids have made very beautiful things. So we have my son especially have enjoyed exploring the things which I have made throughout the year. So yeah, we enjoyed this arts and craft.
I'm Bennett Elroy's mother. He's studying in Little Scholar Preparatory School. So I'd like to thank the school for all the dedication and hard work that they've put into my child. He's grown up to be independent, and he's learned to make new friends. Before when he didn't join school, he was very shy and he's scared of new people. But as soon as he entered the school, it's helped him a lot. And academically, he's starting to learn. Yeah, and also I like the idea of eating together. It helps my child a lot. Yeah, he's learned to have food on his own and all that. So the various functions also are good. Yeah, but more improvement may be made. So yeah, just that. I'd like to thank all the teachers, the helpers, and Madam too for their help in this. Thank you.